All right, warriors, this is Algebra 1A, and look at this. We got new tech for making better videos. Woohoo! All right, your lesson today is going to be super easy. As I told you, we're going to be doing some material from another book, and this is going to get us ready for the material that we're going to cover next in our textbook. So you'll notice that your worksheets that I gave you, they all say Chapter 10, and on the bottom they say Big Ideas Math Blue. It's coming out of a different book, but I really think this is going to benefit us, and it will prepare us for when we get into our textbook again. Today's lesson is super easy. It's just going to be a review of the order of operations. So remember, when you solve a math problem that has more than one operation, okay, so you got plus, you got minus, you got multiplication, division, you've got exponents, etc. You have to solve the operation in a particular order. Now, most of you know the order of operations as Pemdas. So the first thing you're going to do, as it shows in the picture, is you're going to do whatever is in the parentheses first. All right, so we've got right here, we're going to take care of these parentheses first, and 10 take away 8, of course, is going to give us the 2. Then you move on from parentheses, you move on to exponents, and so you can see that they took care of the 2 cubed, so 2 times 2 times 2 gives us the 8 that you see right here. Then, after you take care of the parentheses and the exponents, you do multiplication and division, but you do them in order from left to right. Those are on the same level of importance. So whatever comes first from left to right, that's the order that you perform multiplication and division. All right, so as you can see, the first thing that they took care of here is the multiplication. The 3 times 5 is the 15. And then going from left to right, the next thing that they took care of was this 8 divided by 2, and of course that is the 4. All right, so we've got parentheses, exponents, multiplication from left to right. Multiplication and division from left to right. And then, of course, the last part of it is addition and subtraction. And again, those are also on the same level of importance, so you do those, you perform those operations from left to right. And so you can see that they took care of the addition first, because that was the first item to show up from left to right, and then finally they subtracted, giving us our final answer here of 46. Now, a lot of you, as we said, you know this as Pemdas. Others of you remember this as Please Excuse My Dear Aunt Sally. And there's a lovely picture of Aunt Sally there. So it doesn't matter how you remember it. What is important is that you do the operations in the correct order. So you do your parentheses first, then take care of your exponents, then do multiplication and division in order from left to right, and you're going to do addition and subtraction last, and you do those again in order from left to right. All right, so you're going to do a worksheet today, fair game review, and you're just going to evaluate each expression. Go ahead and use the order of operations on all of these, and then after you do that, you've got one more page to do, which is just basic addition and subtraction, multiplication. I'm sorry, not addition. Basic multiplication and division. You can take care of that. And so easy day today, and do your best at reviewing this, and then we're going to do a lesson on using exponents next. All right, I'll see you in the next video.